Today we are going to learn about the data types in Python. Every programming language have data types. So let's learn data types in Python. What is use of data types in any programming language? Data type is an important concept in all programming languages. Variables can be stored in different data types and different data types can do their own different things. Python has many built-in data types by default. We don't need to declare any data type to a variable in Python. What are categories of data types? Following are the few categories of data types in Python: text type, numeric type, sequence type, mapping type, set type, boolean type, binary type. Different data types in Python. In text type, we are having str, which means it can store string type of data. In numeric type, integer, float, complex. In sequence type, list, tuple, range. In mapping type, we are having dictionary in Python. In set type, set and frozen set. In boolean type, there is only one type, bool, which will store true and false. In binary type, bytes, byte array, memory view. We will learn about that in brief. Now let's learn about getting data type of variable. In Python, data types are built in. So in Python, we don't need to declare a variable, and syntax of variable declaration is not there in Python. So how can we know which type of data type is having our variable? In Python, we are having type function to know the type of given variable. Let's an example. Here I give x equal to 5, which means Python will assign the data type to our variable x. Now, how can we know that which data type is assigned by the Python? So we are having type function. Let's print type function value. It will give class of integer, which means x is having integer value, integer data type also. Y equal to 10.5. Python will assign the float type of data to it, means Python will assign float data type to a y. And z equal to 1, 2, 3, which is list type in Python. We also shown the output, so you can verify it by yourself too. Setting data type in Python. In Python, there is no syntax for variable declaration as we discussed before. So, Python will set data type to a variable when we assign a value to that variable. For example, x equal to hello world. When we write x equal to hello world, Python will send string data type to x, which means string data type to a given variable x. Setting specific data type. Many times we want to set a specific data type in Python. We can use below constructor function to string x equal to string, and as an argument we are going to give a value which we want to store in x, which is hello world here. It's text type of data, which is a string, which we can say that string data type will assign to variable x and string hello world will be stored in a variable x. So here we can say that if we want to get a specific data type for a variable, then we can give that value to that data type's constructor and then give or assign it to variable. Firstly, I assign value 5 to a variable x, which is integer type. Now printing it, I get 5 and type of the x is integer. Now again I am assigning value 3 to a variable, but first I am converting 3 into float. So I will get x value equal to 3.0 and type of x will be float type. Now where x is already having float type value, so I am converting it in integer which will be 3 and assigning that value to y. So y will be 3, but it will have integer type as we converted x in the integer before assigning x value to a y. So I am getting 3 as an output of y and type of y will be integer. Here are other constructor functions examples as we shown string function. String, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, bool, bytes, byte array. Here some of the constructor functions, data types which that constructor function stores, and the output as a value of variable x and type of variable x if I run that constructor given constructor function. Few more. If you get any knowledge from this video, then like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.